Hi guys, welcome to GrammatiX. Those who are watching it for the first time, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So welcome to the maths class. Today again we'll be continuing the square root chapter, that is how to find the square root. But today we will be doing how to find the square root of a number which is not a perfect square. In the last class we did it for only perfect squares, how to find the square root of perfect squares. Those who need to see that, you can just go to the link in the description box. So how to find the square root of a perfect square, that's what we did it in the last class using the prime factor method and the division method. Today we will be doing to find the square root of a number which is not a perfect square using the division method. So this is your question. Find the square root of 24.729 correct to two places of decimals. Now since it is not a perfect square, your answer will be in decimal points. So you have to be clear about how much of decimal points is asked in the question. Now correct to two places of decimals. Now what we have to do is, if the question is for correct to two places of decimals, we have to find 3 digits after the decimal and then we have to round it off to 2 places of decimals. So if they are asking for 3 places, you need to find the answer as 4 decimal points and then we have to round it off. Okay, that's how it is done. Now since here it is asked 2 places of decimals. Now 2 places of decimals means after the decimal, since it is square root, after the decimals you need to have 4 places, then only you can get the answer as 2 places. So it is division method. So here answer 24.729. Since you have 2 places and since we are going to round it off, we need 3 places in the answer. So if you need 3 places in the answer, you need to have 6 places here. So here only 3, the rest you can put it. So 1, 2, 3. So this is how we make pairs. So since you have 3 pairs here, you will be getting 3 digit in the answer. When you get 3 digit, you have to round it off to make it 2 places. That's how the answer comes. So why did I put any extra 2 zeros? Because you need 2 places of decimal in the answer. So while doing it, you have to find 3 places, and for finding 3 places you should have 3 pairs in the question. So 2 extra zeros are there. Now as usual, we did it in the previous class for perfect square, we need to do the same thing. So first term is your 24. So 24 means 4 4s are 16, subtracted 8, you just put the other 2, bring it down. So here you will be having the decimal point 4 plus 4 8, double it and write it here, and you have to put one number here so that you get 872. So it will be going for the largest number. 9 8s are 80, 9 9s are 81, 1 8, 9 8s are 72 plus 8, 80. So 89, 9 gets you 801. So again you subtract 1 7 9 0. Now 89 plus these 9, 89 plus 9, you get 98, and now you have to select one number here, the same number will be coming there, so that it will be less than 7190. So 98, 3 into 3, so you have to just do trial and error method here. You have to just find it out numbers, so we can move in for the higher number. So 988 into 8, let me find us this also. 8 8s are 64, 4 6, 470, 6 7304. So this is getting bigger, so we'll be using 987 into 7 will give you 6909. Again subtracting, bringing the two zeros. So again you have, so you 987 plus 7, you will be getting 994. So you have to get 281. So again a 2 we can add, 9942 into 2. Okay, 3 will be coming more, so it is 2s are. You need not do that count. So your answer is root of 24.729 is equal to 4.972. So your answer is the root of 24.729 is 4.972, correct to 3 places of decimals. This is up to 3 places. Now when you round it up, it will become 4.97. This is correct to 2 places of decimal. So this is how you need to find the square root of a number which is not a perfect square. That means you have to do it as it is, but be careful when you are putting the decimal point. As soon as you get the decimal point in the question, you have to put it up there. And the other thing that you have to take care of is putting the number of zeros, extra zeros. As to the right side, if you put extra zeros, it doesn't alter the number, it doesn't make any change in that number. So you can put as much zeros as you want, but if you are wanting 3 digits there, you have to have 3 pairs of digits after the decimal point. These are the 2 points which you have to take care of when you are doing the square root. So your second question is to find the square root of 3. How you are going to find the square root of 3? Again you have to see the long division. Now just to see, you have put the 3. Now they are asking for correct to 3 places of decimals. 3 places of decimal means you need to have 4 places in the answer. So you have to have 4 pairs, 1, 2, 3 and 4. If you have, they are asking 3 places, you need to have 4 digits in the answer after the decimal point, so that you can round it up. So this is your question now. So how you are going to do is 3. So 1 ones are 1, 2.00, 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, this is the step here. So you have taken 3, 1 into 1, 1, subtract it, and 1 plus 1, it is 2 here. Now what you are going to, you have to find a number here so that it is less than 200. So 25 into 5, it gives you 125, that's much less. So 27 into 7, 189, 28 into 8, 224. So this is not, it is 27 here into 7 is 189. Subtracting it, what you will be getting? 0, 0. 27 plus 7, it is 34 here. So you have to need one more number here. So 34, 2. We can do with 2. This is a 4. 684. Okay, it will be 3. 3 is a 1029. Again you subtract it. So what you are getting when you are subtracting it, this is 1, 7, again a 0. Okay. Your next step is you will be adding 343 and this 3, that becomes 346. And now you have to put one number here so that you can put the same number there. So it will be probably 2. We will be putting 3, 4, 6, 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12, 8, 9, 6, 9, 2, 4. So that's the smallest number. 6, 9, 2, 4. So you just subtract it. it is 6 7 1 0 0. The last zeros we put it down. So 17600. So here 3462 plus 2, it will becomes 3464. So obviously you have the only term, that is 0 will be coming here, and that will be the, that's enough. You need to find out that. So root 3 is 1.7320. So value of root 3 is equal to 1.7320. This is up to 4 places of decimal. You need to write this, okay? And when you are rounding it up, since the last digit is 0, it is 1.732. Correct to 3 places of decimal. And this is your final answer. You have to write this, both the steps you need to write when you are writing for the numbers which are not perfect squares. So this is how you do the calculations to find the square root of a number which is not a perfect square. And that's all for today. Thank you and bye.